Hello guys, thank you so much. Once and again I'm back, and once and again I'm ready to travel on my next journey, guys. So I'm just gonna stop off and I'm literally making my way to the flight now, guys. But where am I traveling next, guys? Hope you guys are still guessing where I'm traveling next, but I want to thank you so much for watching all my videos in Northern Ireland, including the Republic of Ireland. Thank you so much, guys. And I will tell you where I'm at, guys, when I reach the other side. So I'm actually rushing to the gate now because this flight is about to go, guys, and the gate is about to close up. So I'm making my way, guys, and I will see you guys at the gate. I did have to rush quickly to get my laptop. I left it literally inside the restaurant. And yes, I'm just getting this now, guys, and definitely I'm ready to board the plane. So, you know, I did have to rush, guys, you know. So my poor laptop I left, and now I've got it in my hands and I'm ready to travel, guys. So quickly, I'm on a rush and I'll see you guys on the flight. So finally, I'm on the flight now and I'm definitely ready to travel now, guys. So I hope you guys are still guessing what country am I traveling to, guys. So everyone who watch all my videos in Northern Ireland, including the Republic of Ireland, thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much for everyone. Love you all, and I will see you guys when I get on the other side. And when I get on the other side, guys, I want to see if you guys are going to drop your comments and guess what country I am in. Keep dropping your comments, guys, and see you over the other side, and God bless you all. So nice to meet you, man. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Why do you want to meet me? I meet you.
Yeah.
I like to meet you.
Yeah, I hope you watch my channel and support my channel. Yeah?
I will support.
Good. Everybody's there. So nice to see you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Bye.
Finally, I have just landed. So thank you so much, guys. And you guys want to know what country I'm in now. This is the time to reveal it, guys. Is anyone got it right? I don't know. But guys, finally, I have just arrived in Malta. Yes, guys, I'm in Malta. Finally, this is my next journey, guys, after traveling to Northern Ireland and also including Republic of Ireland. Thank you so much, guys, and hope you're going to enjoy all this video here, guys, in Malta. I cannot wait to share everything with you. But before I wrap up the vlog, guys, I'm going to need to get a taxi Is it going to be a meter, or is it going to be a fixed price, or is it going to be a bus? I don't know, guys. I want to even try and rent a car if I can. I would do that, guys. So anyway, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in a taxi. And don't forget this lovely room tour I'm also going to share with you as well, guys. Let us continue and see you in the taxi. So I did say, is it going to be a taxi? Is it going to be a rent-a-car? It is a rent-a-car, guys, you know. So I have my car here and I'm ready here to drive now, guys. So this is the car right here, guys. So, you know, so this is what it looks like from the outside, you know. Yes, guys, man. So I'm going to be driving, man. So finally, yes, I got this car. Yeah, the rental place is over that side, guys, you know. So yes, I rent it, and this is where we're meant to come back to. So I already know that when I'm gonna leave Malta. Yeah. And guys, one thing I'm gonna say as well, why don't you join me at the apartment for a room tour? So let us go, guys. Is this car here? And let's go, guys. Let's take the ride. See you at the apartment. Yes, finally, I have just arrived at the apartment, guys. Time to give you a room tour, guys. And how I'm gonna do it now, guys, I'm gonna start off here with the bathroom, guys. Look at this. This is lovely. So lovely. And we got the shower, which is over that side. So this shower is okay, guys. It's not too bad. It's not too bad for what it is, you know. It's okay. This shower, it's really nice, you know. I like it, you know. And that's me in the mirror. Yes. And we got the toilet here, which is fine. We got a nice flush, nice small window. Well, it's not a bad apartment, guys, to be honest with you. The apartment is really nice. It's not too bad. And I like the door as well, guys. It have this, you know, wooden, like it have this, you know, special dye that they put in this door and everything. We have the soap and everything here as well, guys, on that. And then time to show you the room, guys, where I'm sleeping. This is where I'm sleeping, guys, right on this bed. I'm gonna be sleeping, you know. And we have two balconies here, guys, you know. So this, in this bedroom right here, you know, we got a flat screen TV over this side on the wall. There's a flat screen. I left the door open a little bit. The TV is not too bad. We got the wardrobe here as well, guys, you know. So that's nice. I can put my clothes there. I got some clothes to hang up there, guys. It's very important. And plus, over here as well, I can put my suitcase here. I can use here for my editing. Look at this, guys, isn't it? Tell me. You tell me now. And it's time to see the second balcony, guys, you know. We got the... I was trying to put the balcony light on, guys, but for some reason it's not coming on. But anyway, let's see why it's not coming on. Oh, it's not coming on because... Right, guys, I believe it's been raining because... And the floor is just soaking wet, guys. I just walked into some water. I don't know what happened there. So what I need to do, I need to clean up the floor a bit. I've just walked in water, guys. So yeah, but on this balcony here, there's no water because it was shelter. So that's what they should have done as well, you know, guys. They should have also do the same here, but because this is the balcony over here, guys, but it does have a shelter actually, but it's not so secure as this one, and that's why there's no light there. So I wonder why. So if anything, I'll get my chair. I'll get one of the chair from outside here, guys. So what I can do is get one of the chair from here, and because of that incident we have now, we're going to put it out here. You see here? There you go, guys. So that's one. So one chair. Well, it's two chairs. Might as well just put two chairs. You know. There's a second one here, but there's so much water. There's so much water, guys. You know. So yes, I have to get the cleaner to mop this first thing in the morning because I step in the water and I'm a bit disappointed about that. You know. So I will have to let them know about that. You know that I'm not. Well, I can't complain. Look at the bed as well, guys. The bed is so nice. This meant to be a queen size bed apparently, you know. So I did rent a room, babe, you know, peeps, you know, I rent a room and it had a king size bed, but the problem is it did not have a balcony. It had the air con here as well. Yeah, and the doors, guys, I really love the doors. The doors is nice. So this air con, I don't think we're gonna really need it because it's like 21, 22 degree here at the moment. It is better than the weather we had in Ireland. You know, it was a lot better to have. Anyway, and okay, I didn't show you guys the drawer. Oh, you got a blow dryer. Oh, bingo. Oh, got a fridge as well, guys. Wow, it's a good thing. Okay, perfect. So we'll get this fridge running and I'll get some food and some things to put in here on my journey to Malta, you know. Thank you so much. This is where I'm wrapping up the room tour for tonight. The time now is literally 10 p.m. here in Malta, guys. So remember, I am in Malta and I can't wait to share everything with you guys, you know. So right on the edge of the balcony, it's time to say goodbye, guys. But thank you, man. And I want to say, guys, you know, I want you guys, when you subscribe to the channel, I want you guys to make sure you leave a notification bells on, guys, because some of you, when you subscribe, maybe you don't put the notification bells on. So just to let you know, guys, that we need more viewers on this channel and more attention. So I want you guys to share this video, please. Share it around, tell another friend to tell another friend, guys, you know. And you keep doing that, guys. I promise to keep traveling around the world, you know. So this is what I do, is traveling, guys, you know. This is what I do and this is what I love. It's my passion. So thank you so much, guys, you know. So remember, once and again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss a video. You'll be the first to be notified when I put a video up. Thank you so much, guys, and I'm signing out from the beautiful, nourishing land of Malta.